So you generated this video right in Google Flow, but there's a problem. It has this watermark. Now, in this video, I'll show you how you can get rid of this watermark. You only need one free tool and a few simple steps. Let's check it out. So the first thing you have to do is to come to this website, shortcut.org. I'll leave the link to this website in the description box. Right, then you go right here and click download. Next up, select the appropriate version for your operating system. So I'm using a Windows PC, so I'm going to go right here and click Windows Installer. And next up, you wait a few minutes for your software to start downloading. So once the software has been successfully downloaded, you're going to right click and they're going to select Run as Administrator. I already have the software on my PC, so all I'm going to do next is just to go ahead and click the software to open it. Now, next up, I'm going to create a new project, right? So I'm going to give my project a title. So I'm just going to call it Graceville Tests. And then I'm going to click Start. Okay, so it says I already have a project with this name. So, okay, let me change the title of this project. So I'm just going to say Test File 2 and click Start. So next up, I'm going to import my video files. So I just come to Open File. And now you can import more than one file, right? So I'm just going to import these two video files. So as you can see right here, this file, it has this Google Flow logo on it, right? So what I'm going to do is that I'm going to drag it into the timeline, right? Then next up, I'm going to go to where I have filters right here and click this plus sign. Now in the search bar, I'm going to type spot removal. Now, right here on your preview window, you're going to see that it's going to give you something like the spot removal tool would be activated, right? So you can now drag it to where your logo is, which is somewhere here. Now, by the way, this works for any video with watermark, right? So whether it's Google Flow, is VO3, or any other video with watermark, this method works as well. Right, so once you've positioned it properly on where the logo is, so next up, you're going to come to where you have export, right? And then you come down to where you have stock. So you're going to select the appropriate format you want to output your project in. So we have a plethora of options here, but I'm just going to go with the YouTube option. And then next up, I come to where I click export audio/video. And then I'm going to give my project a name. So I'm just going to call this okay, I'm going to leave the same name as the project title. Now right here, you're going to see that your video is being exported. So you're just going to wait a few seconds for the export process to be complete. So the export process is complete. Now, if I preview this video, you can see clearly that there are no watermarks on this video. The Google Flow watermark is no longer on this video. So this is pretty much how you can remove any watermark from any video. And of course, like I said, it works not just for Google Flow, but it works for VO3 and any other watermark as well. So I'm sure you had a ton of value from this video. If you did, go ahead, like this video, subscribe to the channel, and of course ensure the notifications is turned on so you would be first to be notified whenever I post another amazing content like this. And by the way, I have other videos on this channel where I showed how to get rid of different kinds of watermark. The link to those videos would be in the description box of this very video or as a pinned comment right in the comment section. So go ahead and check them out. Once again, thanks for watching. Like, share, and subscribe. See you in my next video.